What's your name?
I live in Paris.
What? What did you say?
How old are you?
My name is Sophie.
That's weird. Where do you live?
I'm 16.
I can't believe it. You don't even know how to introduce yourself. You are just ignorant. You have just failed your exam. I give you a rating of 0 out of 20.
What's going on, Sophie? You look terrified. I just had a terrible dream, where the teachers ask me questions, and I give them irrelevant answers. I even got a 0. Oh, my poor darling. Do not worry. It's just a nightmare. You will pass your exam and you will get an excellent grade. Just review well, that's all. Yes, Mom. I hope so. Go wash your face and start revising. I am going to bring you a glass of warm milk. All right, Mom. Thank you very much. Hello, Sophie. Hi, Charlotte. How are you? Yes, not bad, and you? Are you ready to take the exam? No, not at all. I'm so stressed that I started having nightmares. Each time, I give incorrect answers to the questions, and I end up failing my exam. Nightmares? Oh, my dear friend, stop making a fuss about it. The teachers will only ask you a few simple questions, like, what is your name? How old are you? What do you like to do in your free time? See, easy questions. So don't stress. You are absolutely right. I will try to calm down. I know how to answer all these questions properly. You will succeed. So try to relax. Go watch a funny movie and see you tomorrow at school. Yes, that's a good idea. See you tomorrow. Hi, Sophie. Hello, Charlotte. So, are you feeling better now? Yes, thank you. And you? Me too. I wish you a lot of luck. Thank you, to you too.
But she was the same teacher who assessed me in the dream. Fortunately, in reality, she is not terrifying. I find her quite nice.
Hello, dear students. As you know, you have an oral exam today. And we start with Sophie.
Yes, ma'am.
Come to the board and introduce yourself, please.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sophie Johnson. I am 16 years old. I was born on December 2nd, 2006 in Paris. There are 4 members in my family. My father, my mother, my little brother, and me. My father's name is David Johnson. He is 47 years old. He is a police officer. My mother's name is Celine Johnson. She is 42 years old. She is a pediatrician. As for my little brother, he just turned 5. His name is Alex. In my free time, I play tennis. I like playing it with my dad. I also do yoga, Monday to Friday, at 6 a.m. It helps me stay in a good mood all day. On weekends, I go out with my friends. We often go to watch movies at the cinema. I live in a nice apartment in the center of Paris with my family. In our house, there are 3 bedrooms and a large living room with a balcony. In the latter, there are many plants. There is also a bathroom and a kitchen. In front of our building, there is a beautiful park. In the evening around 6 p.m., I go to the park to take a walk with my mother. That's all, ma'am.
Well done, Sophie. You have been excellent. You have just made a wonderful presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
I really liked your presentation, to the point of giving you a full mark, 20 out of 20. Kids, you have to follow the same pattern.